Hello, welcome to Havana. Okay, Havana, very nice piece. Oh yes. Okay, now let's look at those chords in the right hand. We've got A minor. You know how to work these out now, but let's go and zoom in on the keyboard. Okay, A minor. A, C, E. Correct fingering is that. First finger, third, fifth with a nice curve. If you want to do it like that, or even like this, that's acceptable. Here we go. So we've got rest, 1, then an F chord, rest, 2, and then an E chord. Okay. Let's double check the music. That is your score. Look familiar? Yes, I thought so. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, chord, rest, chord, rest, chord. Hold it, and that's it through the whole song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Dum dum bum 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 3, 4. Rest, play, rest, play, west in 3 and rest, play, rest, play, rest, play. Okay. To make it harder, you could do 2 chords, A, C, E, A, C, E at the same time. And there you have it.